Nigeria Army bombardment in BiafraLand continue. My wonderful people know they say no be small thing they happen. Yesterday, a lot of things happened, which I'm going to bring the videos to show you for you to watch and see how they go. They say Nigeria Army don't carry their waiting that they call Bunigwe, go enter the place where school and also resident house then. I saw the tram. Hey, many things. Everything is scattered for that area. You know, that's how they call things for here, because some of social media, you know what more they call the name direct. My people, I go play this video, may you watch. As that one they happen, in other way around again, they tell us say the Biafra Army go carry one of the patrol healers of Nigeria Army. As they see those guys, now so they leave them bagger. Those guys can't carry them. No be smart, you know. They say the Biafra Army carry one run. So as that one they happen, he more powerful come aside. Come they tell the media that the people will go feel long to declare Biafras are on their own. We will play the video, so may you watch and see how they go for the area. Watch the full video before we come back.
Fear Nigerian government if you are jide bomb. But receive no na numbers. If body see no na Nigeria fighter jets. Brabia. Where body see my chop in the mother. Daddy, my primary school. Ebenine, near bomb body see no na today. Why are you that 2nd of December? Nigeria fighter jet webia. Where you seen them na numbers. N'ihe bomb mere enu na nke abụọ kwa na launch ka agbara. Nke correct bomb ka agbara. Ogbara many houses collapsed today. Cracked many buildings.
And we are moving from one barrack to another to make sure that we bomb the zoo down. We bomb the zoo down. This Biafra government is moving. Biafra Liberation Army is moving. Biafra Liberation Army. Biafra Liberation Army, we are on our movement now. We have collected their car. I am not going to moto. Nine and trouble. Onye gave a pam. Onye gave a pam. Onye gave a pam. I am going to go here. Càptùre. Càptùre. Action daddy, Càptùre. Action daddy, Càptùre. Càptùre. Liberation Army, Càptùre. We are moving, Càptùre. Oh, God, Càptùre. Oh, Ezekiel, Càptùre. Ezekiel, Càptùre. Biafra Army, Càptùre. Ebesu, Càptùre.
My wonderful people, I want us to also watch this video coming from Ima Powerful.
Has actually distanced themselves. In fact, there were quite a lot of words that were used. Ima Powerful says it is idiocy exhibited by a group of nincompoops, describing it as a scam intended to undermine the legitimate Biafran struggle. He also went ahead to say that that is not what late Dim Odumegwu actually holds sway, that it is illegitimate. IPOB also accused the organizers of being infiltrators and provocateurs who work to destabilize the southeast region and distract from the group's peaceful advocacy for self-determination. He called it a shambolic declaration, and that responsible media organizations should not give it any form of credence or legitimacy. What's your take on it?
I cannot describe it better than those who know. Those who know have described it as shambolic, and I have no other word than what they have said. And for me, on the side of law, I feel it is an expression of illegitimacy and an expression of rascality and irresponsibility. Because you do not go to another country to begin to declare the independence of your own country in a different and sovereign environment. If you want to declare your own independence, then you declare it in the land where you intend to govern. So I see all that as a human being exercising their freedom of expression and their freedom of association, and nothing more than that.
Oh, you don't see it as anything, because today is December 2, and this is the supposed official Biafran Declaration Day. And this convention has been on for almost a week, since last week. A lot of Nigerians tripped to Finland to be part of that declaration. And a lot of states that were mentioned or called as part of those who are part of the Biafran United States of Biafra or something. A couple of the persons residing in those regions are distancing themselves of being IPOB members. They're saying they're not part of that, specifically those from Edo, those from, other states that are not within the confines of the official five eastern states. And people feel that, why would you call other states without consulting with them? Why would you involve those people without having a conversation with them? They say they don't want to be identified with your struggle. They don't want to be identified as, the Biafrans. They're Edos or Esako or whatever it is that they want to be identified as. Why are you forcefully implementing or infusing them in a particular struggle that they don't want to be part of without consultation? What's your take on that?
The very funny thing about all this is that it simply shows you that in life, human beings will just wake up and do whatever they like to do that gives them joy, that gives them happiness, irrespective of whether they are achieving anything. What is important is that they don't breach any existing law.
Okay.
Because if in the process they breach any law, then the law will come against them. But if they decide to gather and make merry and be happy with themselves and call it any name, well, it's their freedom. That is the beauty of democracy, and that is why we say that democracy is sweet. The sweetness of democracy is in the freedom to do what pleases you within the confines of the law. Those who you said have left Nigeria to go to Finland, that is their own style of vacation. As far as I'm concerned, they decided to go on vacation in Finland. And those who gathered from all over the world, they decided to congregate, make merry, beat the drum, fly around some colors and some flags, and then go back to their various abodes, having established the fact that they went on vacation and they enjoyed themselves in Finland. It is at best, and that of course, the Finnish government will not have any issue with them because a lot of money in foreign exchange will come into their country. It's part of tourist attraction. That's at best what it is, and nothing more than that.
Barrister Fred Nzako, thank you so much for taking your time and giving us, a breakdown of some of these issues that were read out in the world news at 12. I sincerely do appreciate your input.
As you watch the video, may you try to share and also follow our page, subscribe to our YouTube channel, so that people go to see the videos and see how it did happen now for inside BiafraLand. Most of us go watch video finish, we go keep out. Who they keep out for? You don't know, say another person needs to watch them, so they get the information and know how it did happen for inside the area. So as they share them, you go enable more people to also see the video. Thank you so much for watching, and do not forget, say you still there for Pop Info News.